Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street, large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. This building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty, well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. Okay. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. Is everything go on? Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. All right off the elevator, it's unit 223, but you can also take the stairs down The first floor is just one floor down, so you don't have to take the elevator. Perfect during these COVID times. So there's unit 223, a couple other units. Okay. Fire escape. Here's our unit. Nice little storage piece on the right here. Front entryway. Central heat and central air. Here's your bedroom. Okay, dark, quiet, safe, and full bathroom. I'm gonna go to the living space first. Open kitchen, super high ceilings. This is later in the day, it's typically a little bit sunnier. Open kitchen, super high ceilings. Gas stove, full-size refrigerator, lots of storage, and countertop space. Stackable washer and dryer. In the common space, some other shelving. There's a disposal. That's a really nice kitchen space. Again, big windows, nice ceilings. That's down your hallway. But that's the living space. Hardwood floors throughout. Here's the bedroom. Behind this door is your closet. Very deep. Lots of potential. Here's your full bathroom. It's a shove. Keep doing that. Tub, shower, combo, vanity, medicine cabinet, don't mind my hand, a little drying piece for your towels and things like that. Again, here's the bedroom. It's a really nice unit. Another window there, frosted glass, okay? Safe, compact, really nice one bedroom, affordable price. Contact us ASAP. Talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.